Hi, welcome to Archiversity online classes. In this lecture, I am going to explain you the modified duration. Modified duration is an extension to Michaelis duration. With the help of a modified duration, you can predict the price of a bond. Now, modified duration makes an assumption that there exists a linear relationship between interest rates and price of the bond. Whenever there is an increase in interest rate, price of the bond will decrease, and when there is a decrease in interest rate, price of the bond will increase. So with the help of a modified duration, you can exactly know how much increase or decrease in a price of a bond will happen due to change in interest rates or due to interest rate movements. Now I'll show you how to calculate a modified duration and also to predict the change in the price of a bond using modified duration. First, we look at relationship between bond yield and bond price. We can make an assumption that here is a coupon and the price of the bond. Let us say price of the bond is 100 and coupon is 5%. Now, if interest rates increase, in the sense they move on to the right hand side, then the price of the bond will decrease. On the other hand, if interest rates decrease, that is they move onto the left hand side, then the price of the bond will increase. Why this increase and decrease happens is, take an example, if interest rate increase from 5% to, now why this happens is, assume that if interest rate increase from 5% to 7%, then the investors will be willing to invest in a new bond which is paying a 7% of interest. So the old bond which is paying a 5% of a coupon will lose interest of investors, and because of which the price of the bond will decrease. On the other hand, if interest rate decrease, say from 5% to 3%, then investors will be willing to invest more money in a 5% bond. New investors will be willing to purchase 5% bond rather than a 3% bond. So because there increases a demand for the bond, the price of the bond will increase. So the duration or a Michaelis duration and a modified duration measures the linear relationship between the price movement and interest rate. So in case of Michaelis duration, we say that the relationship is a linear. This is a basic assumption of modified duration. Now we'll calculate the modified duration and impact of interest rate change on a price. So here is an example. So you have a 10-year 7.6% coupon bond which has a duration of a 7.5 years and the current rate is 6%. So to get your modified duration equals to duration upon 1 plus yield to maturity upon F. So here duration is Michaelis duration, where yield to maturity is yield to maturity or current interest rate, and F is frequency. Frequency is number of times the coupon is paid during a year. So in our example, the duration of the bond is 7.5 years and interest rates are 6%, and this is an annual coupon bond. So this equals to 1.06. So your modified duration is 7.075 years. Now how is it we are going to use this modified duration to predict the price of a bond? So to know the price of bond or change in a price of a bond, this equals to -1 times M duration times change in the interest rate. So here, why are we using a -1 is there exists inverse relationship between bond price and interest rates. So that is the reason why we use a -1. Now in this case, what will happen if interest rate increase by 50 basis points? Then this is -1 times your modified duration, that is 7.0755 times change in interest rate, that is a 50 basis points, that is 0.005. So this equals to -1 times 7.0755 times 0.005. This is minus 0.0354 or minus 3.54%. So the price of the bond will decrease by 3.54%. Now in another context, you predict a price change on this bond if interest rates decrease by 75 basis points. Now in that case, the change in a price, this equals to minus 1 times M duration, it is modified duration, times change in interest rate. So here this is a minus 1 times 7.0755 times minus 0.0075. Why we are taking minus 0.0075 is here the interest rates are decreasing. You are expecting the decrease in interest rate. So this gives you minus 1 times 7.0755 times minus 0.0075. So this equals to 0.0531 or you can say 5.31% increase. So if interest rates decrease by 75 basis points, price of the bond will increase by 5.31%. This is how you need to calculate the modified duration, and with the help of a modified duration, you can predict the change in the price of the bond. Thank you for watching the video.